Hello everyone, welcome to Raya Shikshan Samstha Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn Environmental Study Part 2, Standard 5th, Lesson number 8, Beginning of Settled Life, Revision, Video number 36. Now let's start some important point from Lesson number 8, Beginning of Settled Life. First topic is domestication of animals. Three steps in domestication of animals are: first is capture of wild animals, second, taming of the captured animals, and third, training them to work as a beast of burden for human being. Agriculture began in Israel and Iraq about 11,000 years ago. Women started cultivation by using pointed stick to sow seeds. Agricultural production increased considerably after the practice of plug pull by bullock came into existence. Agriculture became the main sources of livelihood for the good crops. People worshipped nature and various deities. Sharing of agricultural tasks and water resources and the security of village settlement became important. For this purpose, rules were framed. Social system based on agriculture came into existence. Next topic is special skills and various occupations. It became possible to store food grains, and as a result, some men and women use their spare time to develop special skills. Members with such special skills were given work based on those skills. Thus arose craft like making earthen pots, beads, etc. It is believed that in the New Stone Age, women made earthen pots and other earthen objects by hand. Next topic is community life based on mutual cooperation. Farmers who produced surplus food needed agriculture implements and their repairs. Such craftsmen were paid for their service in the form of food grain or other articles. The craftsmen obtained their raw material by paying in form of articles or food grains. This system of buying and selling is known as barter system. It was used in all buying and selling transactions. Most village settlements obtain salt from faraway places by the salt trader by exchanging other articles. The salt trade helped in expansion of trade in the New Stone Age. The village community framed rules for mature cooperation. These rules were implemented by the village chief, who were also responsible for protection of the village. Protective walls and moats around the village were built for protection from floods, wild animals, and outsiders who stole the village cattle. Next topic is structure of houses. Houses in the beginning were made of wattles and dab. The screens woven from stick or bamboo plaster with mud or cow dung serve as a wall. Later, people built quadrangle houses of sun-dried bricks, some of them having more than one room. Regional differences in the style of constructing houses were due to the difference in local climate. Next and last topic is village settlement, kinship and family. People staying in a village settlement belong to a single clan and related to each other. The entire village settlement was an extended family. Dead person were buried either in house or in the courtyard with the various articles for use even after death. I think all of you understood this importance point. Do understand the concept and revise at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.